Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, fire sign. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you, Aries, fire sign, and what's going on. Two cards I have not taken. Messages for Aries. Under the deck, Page of Wands, the Chariot, and Ace of Swords. I think you want clarity. Right now, in your relationship, Aries, there is no clarity. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life for some. Yes, you decided to move on and cut this person. Maybe you came to know some truth about this person recently, and there was some communication is coming for some text or message. And for some, you both have age differences between you and your person. So there is some communication with clarity is coming for some. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and the Moon. There are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. Lot of arguments or illusions. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe they're treating you as an option. So they are breadcrumbing you. I think you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Right now, the relationship between you and your person is in very slow moving energy. For some, maybe if new person is already entered in your life. Yeah, for some it depends on your situation. Right now, Three of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and Ten of Swords. There is no collaboration and there is no partnership between you and your person, Aries. There is lot of drama is going. Maybe more than one person is fighting for your attention. You have options. At the same time, you are fed up with this. I think your person behavior, you are fed up with your person behavior. Ten of Swords, you are very tired and your energy is totally drained. Ten of Swords energy, because there is no equal give and take and lot of drama is going. Then future, Eight of Swords, High Priestess, and Queen of Wands. So you're feeling stuck and I think you can't move anything, right? I think you can't make any more towards your person and you can't make any decision. You're feeling stuck literally, and you started listening to your intuition. In future, you will trust your intuition and you are taking your control back. Yes, you are working. In future, you will working on yourself and you will take your control back. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Swords. So they want to take action towards you. If there are issues between you and your person, they want to fix. And they are thinking about new beginnings with you and about marriage. So let's see their feelings and intentions, Aries. For some, you both are in separation, one type of ending between you and your person. Right now, they're missing you. For those who are in separation, your person thinking about you a lot and they want rebirth in this connection, Aries. They want to say apology if they hurt you in past, because Page of Cups is here. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They are planning to communicate with you, and they still want rebirth in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So let's put some cards. Let's see intentions first. Then we will see cards from universe. So intentions, what are the intentions towards you? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, water sign. And Two of Wands with the Hermit and Three of Cups. They are thinking about you a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Right now, your person isolated from all. Maybe they are healing, but they want reconciliation. For some third party involved in this connection, family could be the issue, friends could be the issue here. And yeah, they are planning to come back, but they are in slow moving energy because the Chariot, and they do love you. They have romantic feelings for you, but they are juggling. Right now, your person is at some crossroads, Two of Swords energy. So they have to make some decision, but they are indecisive right now. But they do love you. They are planning to come back. They are thinking about you a lot, Aries. So let's put some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. Maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely they have regrets, Aries. And Ten of Wands, maybe they are busy with their work right now. They are feeling overburdened. For some, their emotions are running high. And they want to communicate with you right now. They are spying on you. They keep tabs on you, Aries. Yeah. So one time they want to communicate with you, other time they are holding back. But they are spying on you. They keep tabs on you. You want stability, and you will achieve financial stability. For some, maybe you obsessed with this person or they are obsessed with you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, but you are taking your control back and you also thinking about them a lot. Yes, you still have emotions towards this person, that's why you are obsessing. Let's see mutual. Yes, Queen of Cups. You both have strong emotions towards each other because Queen of Cups here is mutual card. With Nine of Cups, wow. You both wishing for the same, definitely wish fulfillment, and you both have strong emotions towards each other. And Nine of Pentacles. I think you both are very independent emotionally and financially. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Age difference. I can't let you go. I want you back. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. Past person return, stability is coming. So the messages are stability is coming, age difference, I can't let you go, I want you back, I am afraid to tell you how I feel, past person return. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus, Taurus energy. So there is a lot of abundance is coming for you, financial stability. And work through your fears, new moon in Scorpio, Scorpio energy. So if you're having any fears, first you have to work through your fears and you have to overcome those fears. Especially when new moon in Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.